Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to blur background in CapCut PC. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. You guys have to simply open up the CapCut and import the footage in which you want to add the background blur. So after importing the footage, you guys have to just simply go to the timeline and select the footage and right click on that and click on the copy, and also right click on that and click on paste. And now you guys will be able to see it has created two duplicate of that one footage. You guys have to just simply go to the this above one, and you guys have to just simply go to the remove BG section in the videos, and here you have to simply select that auto removal. So after selecting that, it will remove the background of the first clip. So what you have to do is you guys have to just simply place it above the first one. So after placing that, you guys have to just simply go to the effect section, and in the effects section you guys have to just simply click on the video effects to provide the drop down menu, and here you have to simply select the lens, and in the lens you guys will be able to see the lots of blur effects. You guys have to just simply select any one of the blur effect. So assume that I have selected just one, and you guys have to simply drag this effect to the lower one layer. The first one layer is the above the person cutted, and second one layer is the normal, and you guys have to just simply drag the blur effect to the lower one, and you guys have to just simply adjust the blur, and you guys will be able to see our blur background has been added. And if you want to look more real or cinematic, so you guys have to just simply select the above one in which person is cutted. So you guys have to just simply go to the specific section and adjust the scale, and just simply increase it little bit. So after increasing it a little bit, you guys will be able to see how much real and cinematic is this blur effect. So I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.